Hello everyone, and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to see how to fix mobile view on Shopify. Firstly, start by logging into your Shopify admin. From your dashboard, select the sales channel, like your online store that you want to customize. Under Online Store, Themes, find your current theme, and click the Customize button next to it. This will open the Shopify theme editor. Now in the top right corner of the theme editor, you'll see icons for desktop view, mobile view or full screen view. Just click on the mobile icon to switch to the mobile layout preview. Once you're in mobile view, you'll see exactly how your store appears on phones. As you make changes like editing banners, buttons or images, the preview updates in real time. Depending on your theme, you might be also able to adjust element sizing, modify mobile-specific layouts, and change styling or alignment just for mobile users. Just note that some Shopify themes don't support advanced mobile-only edits, and customization options in the theme editor may be limited. For deeper control, you may need to edit your theme's CSS or liquid code. And that's it, guys. As simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.